Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Mathematics. Today in numerical methods, I am going to teach you method of solving nonlinear equations. So in this method of solving nonlinear equations, we have bisection method and Newton-Raphson methods. So I am going to explain you about bisection method today. Before starting, I want you to make sure that if you have not already subscribed my channel, please subscribe it right now so that I will be encouraged to make more videos. Also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. So now without delay, I will start my today's topics, method of solving linear equations. So this numerical methods is especially useful in computer because computer solves the problem by repeating the same procedure, okay, by iteration methods. So this numerical methods is introduced to know how computer solves any problem, okay. And so for this many theoretical things are there, but that will only distract students. So if many things are explained, then student may lose the hope to understand. So I am not going to discuss about much about the solution much in detail. So I will just explain the necessary things which are required to solve questions, okay. Only basic things, necessary things only I am going to explain. In this bisection methods, suppose there is the continuous curve y equal to fx, okay. This is y equals to fx is the continuous curve, okay. And if fa and fb product of fa and fb is lesser than 0, okay, then it will cross the x-axis where its y coordinate will be 0. Y coordinate 0 means the point on x-axis we will get, that means value of x we will get, that value of x is the solution. And if FAFB is lesser than 0, there will be definitely the point on x-axis for which its y coordinate will be 0. For any point on the axis, y coordinate is 0. Okay, this lies on that principle. And if f and fb value is lesser than 0, then we can find the point. So here in this method, what we will do is we will find the midpoint of this AB. A plus B over 2 is the midpoint of this, and this point we will get. And now this will be a new A, and taking these 2 points, okay, we will get another midpoint here, okay. And for this also, if FAFB is lesser than 0, then another midpoint we will get. In this way we keep on continuing the process, so we will be very closer to the solution. Solution means the point on the x-axis where the curve intersects x-axis. So in this way, by repeating the same procedure, that means it is called iteration process, we will find out the value of x, required value of x, that means we will get the solution, okay. And next thing you need to know in this process is the maximum error. The maximum error after the iteration using bisection method will be given by ei equals to b minus a over 2i. So taking log on both sides, log ei equals to log b minus a minus log 2i. So using the property of logarithm, we can write like this way. As you know that log x over y, its formula is log x minus log y. Okay, so this changes into the difference. This quotient changes into the difference. Okay, using this property we can write like this way. And now using another property, that is log x power p equals to, okay, look at here, so log xp, this will be p log x with base a, we can write like this way. And using this property, this I log 2 equals to this also we can write. So I will be equals to log b minus a minus log ei over log 2, this goes to divide. So I will be either equal to this value or more iterations are required, so bigger or equal to sign is also written here, right? And in this absolute value is written, modular sign is written because log is not defined for negative values, so absolute sign is written, and here absolute value we have omitted here because for the log to be defined it must always be positive. Okay, so this gives you the maximum number of iterations. That means how many times we have to follow the procedure, this I value will give us. Okay, all right, so now let's start one questions relating to this bisection method. So by telling these theoretical things what I have said until now, it may not be clear to you. By solving one practical problem on questions only, the concept becomes clear. Okay, so here if a bigger than 0, if b bigger than I have written 0, so in place of a also there will be number, in place of b also some number will be there, and y equal to fx also there will be some expression, and in that expression this in place of x if you put any number, then in that expression also we put that number, and this value bigger than 0, this value lesser than 0 in numerical form we will get. And if we bisect a and b, and a plus b over 2 we will get, and this will be the new a. Then for this also the numerical value we can put in the expression of the function, and we will get this new f a bigger than 0, new f b bigger than 0, and from this also we will find out another midpoint here, and same procedure we will follow. Okay, that all matters will be clear when we solve one question. In this way we will be very closer to the solution. Okay, so here we have one question. What question says, starting with the interval 1 to find the square root of 2 to within 2 decimal places to within an error of 0.01. Okay, so here before this, here I have written a, here is b, in place of a we have 1, in place of b we have 2, within that interval it says. So here our a is 1, and in place of b we have 2, and with an error of 0.01 means that b minus a value which will be lesser than this. Until then we keep on repeating the procedure. Okay, and here we have to find the square root of 2. Okay, so here let's do something in rough here. Square root of 2 we have to find out. Square root of 2 we can suppose x, so x equals to root 2 becomes, and if you square this, x square equals to 2, and that x square minus 2 equals to 0. So this expression x square minus 2 we suppose fx. Okay, the function involved is the function involved in this problem is fx equals to x square minus 2. This is nonlinear equation. Okay, and here in this a value is 1 and b value is 2, and a plus b over 2, 1 plus 2 over 2, that is 3 over 2, that will be 1.5, and fa. Okay, so fa here in place of a we have 1, so what value we put here? 1 minus 2, it will be fa value will be minus 1, and fb value, this 2 you will put here, 2 square minus 2, 4 minus 2, it will be 2 here, and fm, we will put this m value here, and using calculator we can find out fm value, f 1.5, that 1.5 square minus 2, that will be 1.5 square minus 2 will be 0.25, and b minus a, this 2 minus 1 will be here 1, right? In this way here, this value of fa and then fm, these are opposite. Okay, so fb and fm, they have same value, so between fe and fm there doesn't lie a point for which y coordinate will be 0. That means curve will not intersect x-axis between these 2 points b and m. So fa and fm have opposite signs, so between these a and m points curve intersect x-axis. So we will take a and m point, and we will take a as a itself 1, this point, and in place of b we will take this point and follow the same procedure. So now we are taking this a as m, and then b as this point 1.5, because fa is negative lesser than 0, and then this fm is bigger than 0, so product fa times fm will be lesser than 0. Okay, so now here midpoint of this also we'll find out, 1 plus 1.5, 1 plus 1.5 divided by 2 will find out, that will be 1.25. Okay, this will be 1.25, and f a value putting here 1, that will be again minus 1, and then fb value putting this 1.5 there. Okay, so 1.5 square minus 2 will be here 0.25. okay, so this will be fb will be 0.25. okay, so fb just like that fm, because here this m value is 1.5, and they also fm is 0.25, and here b value 1.5, then fb will also be 0.25. and now fm, using this m value here, fm will find out 1.25 square minus 2, that will be 0.4375, 0.43 minus 0.4375, and b minus a we find out 1.5 minus 1, that will be 0.5 here. And next that look at here, in this we have fb and fm have opposite sign. Okay, and fa and then fm has same sign. So from these two, this b as a and then m as b. Okay, this is called bracketing method. Also we can take the bracket of b and m. So b value is here here this one m value from is 1.25 we can take as first point 1.25 as a, and then this b value is 1.5 we can take as second point. Okay, and we can do the bracketing of this, because this for this 1.25 fm is negative, and for this 1.5 this fb is positive. So fb times fm is negative. If it is negative, then there will lie any point on the axis where the curve cuts x-axis. Now, like before, we'll find out the midpoint of this. 1.25 plus 1.5 divided by 2 will be 1.375. that is the midpoint, these 2 points. And let's find out fa. In place of a, here we can put 1.25, 1.25 square minus 2, 1.25 square minus 2 will get minus 0.4375, and fb this 1.5 we can put there. So putting here we have got this, and putting this also we will get the same thing, 0.25, same thing we can write here. And fm, so putting this value of m here, that will be 1.375 square minus 2, that will be minus 0.109375 will get. Okay, minus 109375, and b minus a, this 1.5 minus 1.25, that will be 0.25 we will get. Okay, and in this what we can see here is this fb and fm, they have opposite sign. Okay, so this value 1.375 we can take this as a, and here for this m and for this b we have opposite sign. So b value is 1.5, same we can take, because fb and fm product, fb times fm is negative, lesser than 0. So we are taking b and m, this m as a and then b as b here. It's same procedure will follow. The sum of this divided by 2, midpoint of this 1.375 plus 1.5 divided by 2, that will be 1. Here will be 1.4375, 1.4375, and now let's find out fa. fa will be 1.375 square minus 2, that will be minus 109375 will get, and fb will be same like before, that is 0.25, and fm in this point we will find out fm, putting here this value 1.4375, 1.4375 square minus 2, that will be 0.066 4062 2 will get, okay, and b minus a, this 1.5 minus 1.375, 1.5 minus 1.375 equals to 0.125 we will get, okay. And let's see here. Now here FB and FM has same sign. FA and FB have FA and FM has opposite sign, okay. So we will take this M as the value of A and then B as the value of B, okay. So now 1.375, so this A as value of A and then this M as the value of B we can take. So M value is 1.43, 1.4375, okay. And now midpoint of this, again add this and divide by 2. 1.375 plus 1.4375 divided by 2, that will be 1.40625. 1.40625, okay. And now FA, we will find out FA is same like this, minus 1, okay, sorry, here is 0.10, 0.109375, same like this, okay. And now let's find out FB. FB will be this one, 1.4375 square minus 2, that will be 0.0664062, okay. Zero point zero 0.0664062, okay. So here FB we have got this, and FM this value we will put here, 1.40625 square minus 2, that will be minus 0.0224 609, 0.0224609 FM. And B minus A, this minus this, 1.4375 minus 1.375 equals to 0.00625, okay. And next to that, let's see here for which two the value is negative. So here FB and FM product is negative, okay. This and this have same sign, so we can take this as M as A and then B as B, okay. All right. So here we can take 1.40625 as A, and then here B is this one, so FB is this one, so B value 1.4375 will take, okay, and midpoint of this, add this and divide by 2. 1.40625 plus 1.4375 divided by 2. 1.42187 1.42187 we will get. And now let's find out FA here, putting this value in place of x, that will be 1.40625 square minus 2 will be here minus 0.02244 this much we will get. And FB, putting this value in place of x here, 1. For this it will be the same value because 1.475 is also here, so we will copy the same 0.0664062. and FM value, let's find out here, 1.42187 square minus 2, that will be 0.02172. Okay, here it will be 0.0217. All right, so here M value we have here is 1.42187 1.42187 square minus 2, that will be 0.21714 okay. And next that is B minus A, this minus this, that will be 1.4375 minus 1.40625 equals to, we'll get 0.03125 we will get, okay. And in this what we can see is FA and then FM, they have opposite sign, so we can take this A as first point and then M as the last point, okay. So now let's take this ASM as the first point, 1.40625, and then this M as the second point, 1.42187, and let's find out midpoint of this, that will be 1.40625 plus 1.42187 equals to this much, and then divided by 2, that will be 1.4140 6, and let's find out fa, putting this in place of x. So that will be it is the same because 1.40625 is also here, so that will be minus 0.0224609, and for this value let's find out fb. 1.42187 square minus 2 equals to, that will be 0.02171 714. Okay, and now let's find out fm also here. Yeah, okay, this putting this value here, we have found out this, that is 1.42187 square minus 2, we have found out 0.021714. And let's find out fm. So putting this value of m here, we will find out fm. That will be 1.41406 square minus 2. We'll find out that will be fm value will be minus 0.00043. Okay, and to get this value from calculator, it will be a little bit it may be a little bit difficult to you, so I will suggest you like this way. So m value is in 1.41406. Look at here, m value is this one, so m value putting here 1.41406 square minus 2 will get, and then it gives you value in minus 4.343164 times 10 to the power minus 4, and it will be difficult for us to write, so you can just write minus 1. This minus 1 you can do, that means we have added a minus 1 with this, minus 1 we have added with this, and it is more by minus 1, so we just need to take the digits after decimal, 0.0004243, like that. So 0.00043 we have taken. Okay, so in this way, if negative number times 10 to the power minus 4 something like that comes, then you subtract minus 1, and later on excluding minus 1 after decimal part you can write here. I suggest you to do so. And b minus a, that now this minus this you will find out 1.42187 minus 1.40625 equals to 0.015625, 0.015 you will get here, and now in this we still have negative sign. Let's see, this fb and then fm, this have negative sign, so this m as first point a and this b as second point we can calculate. So because fb times fb will be negative from these two. All right, so now b value is here, m value, let's see, m value here is 1.41406, so this m value will write here 1.41406 will write here, and then b value from here is same, that is 1.42187, and now midpoint of this will be okay. Now from this, rather than finding our midpoint, let's see, this minus this will be, if it is lesser than 0.01, then we can stop the process. This will be the final solution. Let's see, 1.42187 minus 1.41406. 1.42187 minus 1.41406. We have got 0.00.00781. Okay, and in this also we have got 7.81 times 10 to the power minus 3. It is positive value we have got. So for this positive number times 10 to the power minus 3, something like that comes. 10 to the power negative power comes, then we can add plus 1, and here excluding 1, 0 point after decimal digits we can write here. In this way we can calculate, and let's see the value of FA here. For this value, FA how much comes? 1.41406 square minus 2, that will be minus 0.0004343 minus 0.0004343, and FB value will be the same. Okay, 0.021714, because for this FB value I have already calculated here. And then this FM value, FM value we did not calculate, because this value is has become lesser than 0.01. So now we can stop, and our required solution is 1.41406. Therefore the square root of the square root of 2 within 2 decimal places. 2 is 1.41406 within 2 decimal places. Okay, in this way, using bisection method, we can find out the square root of 2. That means we can solve the nonlinear equation using bisection method. Okay, so this process is a little bit lengthy but robust. We can find out the solution using the iteration method, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have not already subscribed my channel, please subscribe it right now, so that I will be encouraged to make more videos, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. Thank you very much.